Let's take the question number 3. Give 1 point of difference between acidic and basic amino acids. As it is many difference between in them, let's take any simple one. Let's take a difference of that group only, which we have understood in earlier videos. That is COOH group and NH2 group. Okay, in acidic amino acids, it bears negative charge due to it bears negative charge because of the extra carboxyl group. That is, acidic amino acids have extra carboxyl group, so it bears negative charge, and basic amino acids contain extra of NH2, so it bears a positive charge, and this is the main difference between in them. Let's see in the next slide that what is the exact answer. Acidic amino acids have more carboxyl group and basic amino acids have more NH2 group. This is because I have told in the earlier slide that due to this acidic amino acids have a negative charge and basic amino acids have a positive charge, and you can see this in this slide also, that is in this minus COOH, that is negative COOH, and NH2, it is having no negative sign, that is positive, it carries the positive charge. Okay.